In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Cursor CLI, starting with installation, main features, and a short demo. But before that, why would Cursor suddenly launch a CLI tool? Could it be an admission of defeat? I'll share with you my honest opinion at the end of this video. Let's dive into it. So, to install, you need to browse the Cursor CLI website and copy this command. Run it. That's it. Now you can choose your preferred CLI and type Cursor Agent. Now we need to sign in, press any key and it will open a browser for authentication, and boom, the Cursor CLI is installed. We want Cursor CLI to assist us with code writing, so we'll open it at the working repo. Now we can run any prompt we want, mention files like this, and paste images directly to the Cursor CLI. In order to see all the possible commands, you need to type /. Let's cover the commands. We have the models command. It allows you to choose which model. Of course, GPT-5 is available, along with Sonnet and Opus. We have the auto-run command. It's a toggle for how much control you have over the agent's action. When off, it asks you to approve any command execution or file change. It can be confusing, so I recommend turning it on, but reviewing its changes. And other commands are new chat and clear, which are kinda the same. Use them if you want to create a new task and clear the context. You also have the option to resume previous chats and use their context. To do so, you need to run the copyrec ID, and after that, the resume command with this ID. Of course, logout and quit is also available. As you can see, this Cursor CLI version is very lean and doesn't include MCPs, sub-agents, or any advanced feature we have in Claude Code. I guess Cursor will release more functionalities later. Great, we still have two main features that commands don't cover. First, there is non-interactive mode, which is mainly for automation and repeatable tasks where you don't want to sit and chat with the AI step by step. In addition, Cursor CLI supports Cursor rules files and knows how to read them. For those of you who are not familiar with Cursor rules, it is instructions you give to the AI, so it always follows certain guidelines when working on your code. What about the pricing? Cursor CLI is available for free users under the Hobby plan. It is very limited and will allow you to execute about 50 prompts a month. With the Pro plan, you can execute about 500 fast requests per month. Time for a demo. Recently, I added to alldevneeds.com a comparison table for the LLMs, including prices and everything that matters for developers. Here, I want to make it possible to choose more than one provider. For example, Anthropic and OpenAI. So I opened Cursor CLI in my project folder, mentioned the file, and added an image of this place in the website. And this is the result. It's not a complex task, so it's done easily. It's time to turn to our question from the beginning of this video. Why Cursor decided to release a CLI tool? First, Anthropic dominance since the release of Claude Code must affect this decision. Second, the biggest frustration about Cursor was that IntelliJ users had to maintain two IDEs, and it's kinda clumsy. With Cursor CLI, they solved this issue and it can be opened from IntelliJ terminal. In addition, Claude Code is not working on native Microsoft computers, so maybe this will encourage users to move from Claude Code to Cursor CLI, which supports it. This is Cursor CLI. For all the AI dev news in one place, subscribe to our channel and catch Dev AI Weekly, our weekly video series for developers. If you find this valuable, a like would be awesome. Bye bye.